Why do 80% of nail enthusiasts miss this crucial step? Let's fix that. First things first, preparation is key. Start by washing your hands and trimming your nails to the desired length. Trust me, clean hands make a world of difference. Next up, shaping. Always file in one direction to avoid splitting. And remember, ladies, no sawing. Your nails will thank you. Let's talk cuticles. Push them back gently after a warm soak. Never cut them. Seriously, they're there for a reason. Think of them as the bodyguards of your nails. Base coat? Non-negotiable. It's your secret weapon against stains and chips. Plus, it makes your color pop like never before. Speaking of color, apply thin layers. Patience, my friends. Thick layers lead to smudges and no one wants that. 2 thin coats should do the trick. And don't forget to seal the deal with a top coat for that salon-worthy shine. Now here's a pro tip. Clean up any mistakes with a small brush dipped in polish remover. It's like having your own mini magic wand. Finally, moisturize. Your nails and cuticles will love you for it. A little TLC goes a long way. So there you have it, your ultimate guide to achieving perfect nails every single time. Go on and show off those stunning manicures, beauties.